Bay windows are a beautiful and functional feature in any Clearwater home, offering expansive views, natural light, and added charm. However, Clearwater's coastal location means that homes are exposed to salty air, high humidity, and occasional storms, which can accelerate wear and tear on your bay windows. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your windows looking great and functioning effectively in this challenging environment. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain bay windows in Clearwater's salt air environment. Regular cleaning to combat salt buildup. Salt particles in the air can accumulate on your bay windows, leading to corrosion, streaks, and damage to the frames and glass if left untreated. Regular cleaning helps prevent these issues. Cleaning tips. Rinse with fresh water. Use a garden hose or a bucket of fresh water to rinse away salt and grime from the glass, frames, and sills. Mild soap solution. Mix mild dish soap with water and gently scrub the windows with a soft cloth or sponge to remove dirt and buildup. Avoid harsh cleaners. Do not use abrasive cleaners or ammonia-based products, as they can damage finishes and glass coatings. Dry thoroughly. After cleaning, use a microfiber cloth to dry the glass and frames, preventing water spots or streaks. Cleaning your bay windows at least once a month ensures they remain clear and free of corrosive salt buildup. Inspect and maintain weather seals. Properly sealed bay windows protect your home from drafts, water intrusion, and heat transfer. In Clearwater's humid climate, seals can degrade over time and require regular inspection. Seal maintenance tips. Check for cracks or gaps. Look for damaged or peeling weather stripping around the window frames. Replace worn seals. Use weather-resistant materials to replace any compromised seals, ensuring a snug fit and airtight closure. Reapply caulking. Inspect the caulking around the exterior of the bay windows and reapply as needed to prevent water leaks. Well-maintained seals enhance your bay windows' energy efficiency and protect your home from the elements. Protect frames from corrosion and damage. Bay window frames are exposed to salty air and moisture, which can cause corrosion, warping, or discoloration over time. Different frame materials require specific care to maintain their durability and appearance. Frame care tips. Vinyl frames. Clean with mild soap and water to remove dirt and salt. Avoid harsh chemicals that can degrade the material. Aluminum frames. Use a soft brush to clean frames and apply a protective wax or corrosion inhibitor to prevent rust. Wood frames. Regularly inspect for signs of rot or peeling paint. Sand and repaint or reseal as necessary to protect against moisture. Fiberglass frames. Wipe down with a damp cloth and check for cracks or damage. Fiberglass is highly durable and requires minimal maintenance. Regular care ensures your window frames withstand Clearwater's coastal conditions while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. Keep tracks and hardware in good condition. The moving parts of your bay windows, such as tracks and hinges, are prone to corrosion from salt air. Proper maintenance keeps them functional and extends their lifespan. Hardware maintenance tips. Clean tracks. Use a vacuum or soft brush to remove dirt and debris from the tracks. Lubricate hinges and locks. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Check for wear. Inspect handles, hinges, and locks for signs of corrosion or damage, and replace them if necessary. Routine maintenance of the hardware ensures your bay windows operate smoothly and securely. Address condensation and humidity. In Clearwater's humid climate, condensation can form on bay windows, potentially leading to mold or mildew growth. Managing indoor humidity levels is key to preventing these issues. Condensation management tips. Improve ventilation. Use exhaust fans or dehumidifiers to reduce indoor humidity. Inspect for seal failures. Persistent condensation between panes may indicate a broken seal, which should be repaired or replaced. Clean regularly. Wipe away condensation promptly to prevent water damage to frames and sills. By controlling humidity, you can maintain both the functionality and appearance of your bay windows. Prepare for storm season. Bay windows are a standout feature in Clearwater homes, but their large panes and unique structure require special attention during storm season. Storm preparation tips. Inspect for damage. Check the glass and frames for cracks or weaknesses that could worsen during high winds. Reinforce with shutters. Install storm shutters or protective panels over your bay windows during hurricane season for added security. Use impact-resistant glass. If your bay windows aren't already equipped with impact-resistant glass, consider upgrading for enhanced durability. Proper preparation protects your bay windows and your home during Clearwater's stormy months. Schedule professional inspections. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, professional inspections can identify issues you might miss and ensure your bay windows are in optimal condition. Professional maintenance benefits. Thorough evaluation. Experts can assess the integrity of seals, glass, frames, and hardware. Timely repairs. Early detection of potential problems helps prevent costly repairs down the line. Expert advice. Professionals can recommend upgrades, such as energy-efficient coatings or storm-ready glass, to enhance your window's performance. Annual inspections provide peace of mind and ensure your bay windows are ready to face Clearwater's coastal weather. Conclusion. Maintaining bay windows in Clearwater's salt air environment requires consistent care and attention. By cleaning regularly, inspecting seals and frames, and addressing condensation and storm preparation, you can keep your bay windows looking and performing their best for years to come. For professional maintenance or assistance with repairs, contact a trusted window expert in Clearwater. With their expertise, you can protect your investment and enjoy the beauty and functionality of your bay windows in Clearwater's coastal climate.